Unconfirmed measles cases. The CDC recommends babies as young as 6 months old get vaccinated. 17's Anne DeGrazia is in studio with this change in position. Anne?
This is the first time the CDC has recommended babies under a year old to get the vaccine. Health officials believe the number of cases will continue to grow, and California just might see one of the worst outbreaks since the late 80s.
Measles. Over 51 cases this year alone and 604 last year. Health officials say the disease is making a comeback in the United States and it's spreading quickly.
Measles is highly contagious, so that for people who haven't been immunized, if they come in contact with a person who has measles, either in the prodromal stage or while they have the rash, their chances of getting the disease is probably 90 or 95%.
Dr. Vernon Sorensen is the medical director of Memorial Urgent Care Center. He says measles can linger in the air for hours.
It's an airborne virus. It's spread by droplets primarily.
Okay.
Sneezing and coughing and other people being exposed to that.
The actual measles bumps do not appear right away.
It looks like a cold. You get a cough and red eyes, runny nose, and 3 or 4 days later you break out with a generalized red rash from the face and encompassing the entire body, associated with fairly high fevers as well.
Although medical doctors urge patients to get the mandatory measles vaccine, some decide against it.
It's a variety of reasons. There are some religious reasons, and then there are people who are convinced, despite the medical evidence to the contrary, that the vaccines carry a significant risk.
Despite these opposing opinions, Dr. Sorensen sides with the CDC.
They shouldn't be afraid of the vaccine. They should be afraid of being unvaccinated.
We reached out yesterday to people opposed to the mandatory vaccine, but did not hear back immediately. But we do want your feedback. If you would like to share your opinion, check out our post and message us on Facebook. Anne DeGrazia, 17 News.
It is one of the hotly contested issues of our time, which is the people who do not want to vaccinate their children. Some feel because of personal reasons, others say, well, there's already a group immunity, so why do my kids as well? They're already going to be protected.
Yeah, but that does not last once that herd immunity drops below